Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're back. It's been a while. I know I said that almost every video, but you know, can't keep up like most people. So we got something going on right now. Got a little gift from our friends over at Lasfit, and they sent us some lights over, but it's not gonna be for the truck. Got the truck right here, but it won't be for the truck. It's gonna be for this. My travel trailer. It is a 2017 Rockwood mini light by Forester. I think it's a 2506S. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up right now. You'll see the lights, and Lasfit sent us over some lights to replace them, make it brighter. So we'll see right now. So we got the package here from Lasfit. So let's go ahead. Got the trusty knife right here. I'm not gonna lie, if you guys want it, it's a good knife. Home Depot special, Husky, $10, but hey, gets the job done. Let's check it out. See what it comes. So we got the LEDs, 1-year warranty, US brand. It is the T10. I think we got a few of these. Yes, another one. You're gonna see what's gonna happen right now, or why we need so many of these. T10, T10. We got the switchbacks, which won't be using the switchbacks. We're just gonna use them for the white. But these are for the brake lights. They are the T3. What else we have in there? I think we have a bunch more T10s. Yeah, there we go. Bag open. T10s, T10s. Yeah. And we got one more. Bag up. Got this right here. This is the L1156. You can see it right there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install these lights on the travel trailer right here, and we'll show before and after. So let's wait for it, see how it goes. Okay, so here are the lights right now. I have a light shining on it, but you see it right here. Up there, we got up there. I'm going to go back here in the dark so you can see without the light shining on it. Right here. Got the ones up top. Brake lights, the other brake light. So you can see that's how we got so many T10s. Got another one right here. Check out the front right here. Again to the front. So there's the truck. There's something different about it, but we'll get back to that in another video. So there we go. Now let's go with the process of changing them out. Okay, can't really tell at night because everything looks bright with a light during the darkness, but I'm pretty sure you see the difference. See, just panning out right here, you can see a difference on how bright it is. So let's get up close on this one, then we'll go over and get this one. See, major difference here. So I'm gonna change out the ones in the back where they're next to each other, and I'll do a comparison. See, as you can see here, that one is way brighter than the other one. I'll climb up, get a close up. So yeah, you see the stock ones right here compared to the Lasfit. Way brighter. You see it going down the road when we go traveling. So let's go ahead and change out the other ones. Okay, as of right now, we did all the T10s. We'll check it out right now, and then we're gonna go move on to the tail light brake lights. So you can see here, much brighter. This is insane on how bright this is. It doesn't even look amber anymore, it looks yellow. So we'll go ahead, walk around to the back. Look how bright the red is. It's insane. Look at the brightness difference. That is just the top. That's just parking lights. And look how dim that is, and that's supposed to be a brake light. So we're going to change these out next. Let's see, right here. Now the light, sensory light went on, but you can see the difference. This is crazy. You're definitely going to see it coming down the road. So let's go ahead and start doing the brake lights. Okay, so right now you saw these up here. So now we're gonna do the brake lights. So you see how they, on camera they look somewhat bright, but in person they look really dim. But you can see the difference right now when I change them out. So these are going to be the Lasfit T3s, the 1157Ds. They are switchback, but for what we need them for, it's just going to be for the tail light. So I'll swap it out right now. Got the rag ready because this is going to be pretty hot because I left these on doing the whole video. So let's see. So as you can see the difference right now, it's a lot brighter, and look at the difference on the light on the license plate. It's more of a LED light than a halogen. It's more blue than yellow. But look at, you see the difference. Okay. I know the light, the spotlight over here is kind of messing it up, but you see a big difference right here. Let's go ahead and change out the other one. See, You can see here a brightness difference. Let's see if we can lock it and change it. Yeah. Look at how bright they are. That's crazy. All these up here. Check the other one. Oh yeah. When you brake, you're definitely gonna see it. So yeah, so this is the LED lights from Lasfit for the 2017 Forester Mini Lite by Rockwood 2506S, hooked up to the 2017, I'm sorry, I don't even know why I said 2017, 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Duramax, 4-wheel drive, obviously because AT4. But we're gonna do more videos on the truck, and the other lights, you may have paid attention, but the other lights that we have on there that we did not put on here, they're gonna be for this car. We still have some more of the T's. Those are gonna be for the license plate, and the other lights, I forgot the number already, but it will be for the reverse lights for the 2017, that's where I got the number from, Chevrolet Camaro RS Anniversary Edition. So let me know, leave a comment if you want more videos on the trailer. There's gonna be more videos on the truck, but let me know if you want more videos on the trailer. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go ahead and cut this off, but let me know if you want to see more videos on the trailer. I got a few more upgrades I'm gonna do on this, so let me know. Thank you.